Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to remove parental controls on Windows 10. Now the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser and then search for Microsoft.com. Okay, so just tap on it and you will be redirected to this page. Now click on this profile at the top right corner, okay, to sign in your account. And then right after that, just click on this My Microsoft account and you will be redirected to this page. Okay, now scroll down until you see the family option. So you will just have to click on the view your family. Okay, and if you are 18 and above, you will be able to control the people that is in this group. Okay, you can also leave this family group, but if you're 18 and above. But if you're not, then you will need to ask an adult or a member of your family that is capable of removing you from this family group. So in order to do that, you can also change your birth date. Okay, so let's go back to where we've been. Okay, just click on this your info. Okay, as you can see at the top. Okay, that's right. And then click on this edit profile info. Okay, and then you can change your date of birth, the month, the day, and the year. And right after that, you will just have to click on the save icon to save your changes. Okay, so make sure that you select the right year so you could be able to have access to your family group. Okay, so now let's go back to the Microsoft account main page. Okay, so let's tap on this one. And then when we use another account, an account of our one of our family members that is capable to remove us, then let's use their account and then go to the view your family. Okay, and from there you can remove yourself using their account by clicking on these three dots, okay, above your profile, and then click on remove from family. But you can also change the content restriction, the filters, and the screen time of this user. Just click on the profile picture and then explore the settings, okay, if what kind of activity do you want to perform. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.